This is the Philippine Moto Heritage Weekend 2024 and maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, sa inyong pagdalo, sa inyong suporta. So everyone, let's enjoy the weekend para sa ating lahat ito.
Philippine Moto Heritage Weekend. Thank you very much for holding it for the second time here in Muntinlupa. As you know, there are many motorcycle enthusiasts in the South. Hopefully, in the coming years, mapipili pa rin ang Muntinlupa because we would really love to have you here.
Napaka-special ng araw na ito. Dahil sa araw na ito, for the first time, makikita ng publiko ang 2 years na namin pinaghihirapan na 1940 Knucklehead TL. Itong motor na to is the most collectible of all the Harley Davidsons. At for the first time, dito sa Moto Heritage Week, DJ, sisipain at paaada rin ang motor nito.
We'll see you again next year sa Philippine Moto Heritage Weekend 2025. Kita-kits mga paps!